Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this cast iron panhandle cover, which is a very simple and easy project, beginner friendly too. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you find time, please like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I'm using peaches and cream yarn, which is 100% cotton yarn, and 4mm crochet hook. Row 1 magic ring and 10 half double crochets around the magic ring. We are going to work in a spiral, so our stitch marker is necessary as we do not know which will be our starting stitch. So to find that, we are going to use a stitch marker. So row 1 would be 10 half double crochets around the magic ring. We are not going to slip stitch to finish this row. We are going to work continuously. So row 2 would be 1 half double crochet on the first stitch and 2 half double crochets on the next stitch around. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet in one stitch and 2 half double crochet on the next stitch around. So at the end of this row we will have 15 half double crochet stitches. So row 3 to 5 would be 1 half double crochet on each stitch round. So row 3 to 5 we will have 15 stitches. So now we are almost at the end of row 5. So we can start, once we are done with this, we'll start with row 6. For row 6, we'll do work half double crochet 2 together on first 2 stitches and then 1 half double crochet each on rest of all other stitches. So only for the first 2 stitches we are going to work half double crochet 2 together, and rest all the stitches we're going to work 1 half double crochet each. So at the end of this round we'll have 14 stitches. So for row 7 we are going to work 1 half double crochet each on all the stitches. So we'll have 14 stitches at the end of row 7. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet each on all the stitches for row 7. So for row 8 we are going to work half double crochet 2 together on first 2 stitches and 1 half double crochet on each stitch around. So we are going to work half double crochet 2 together only in first 2 stitches. On rest all other stitches we are going to work 1 half double crochet each. So at the end of this round we'll have 13 stitches. For row 9 to 14 we are going to work 1 half double crochet each on each stitch around. So we are going to work only 1 half double crochet on every stitch around for row 9 to 14. So once we are done with row number 14, we will work one slip stitch on each stitch around and then fasten off. our pan handle is now ready. I'm just attaching a handmade tag to it. I've just stitched it. So this is a very simple and easy project. Please try this at home. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.